Hi, I'm James Corwin. I'm super excited to paint with you today. We're going to paint aspen trees in fall. Some of my favorite trees in my favorite time of year. I'm going to walk you step by step through the painting process and give you an opportunity to complete the step after I've demonstrated. Just look for the pausing in the video, and once you've completed that step, press play. So let's dive right in. Alright, welcome back. So let's add some flowers into our grasses. I'm going to use my small pointy brush for this more detailed work. And I'm going to mix a pink. So I'm going to take my red and mix it with some white. I'm just going to get a nice pink. I actually might add just a little bit of yellow to it to make it just a bit warmer and brighter. But still, it's pink. I don't want it too salmony. And here, I'm just going to add in some of these pink flowers. And the flower that I'm painting is fireweed, which blooms around this time of year. And it's a very beautiful color of flower. If you see fields of it, it's just red and pink. Very beautiful. So that's what I want to paint in here.